Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again with another makeup review slash tutorial, no, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I actually just got this palette by Makeup by Yolondo or Pimby. It's the Pimby's X BrittKBeauty or BrittKBeauty, and this is Serenity. I've been actually trying to get this palette forever. Finally. So let's take out the plastic on here, and she looks like so. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do today, but we're just gonna go ahead and go with it and see what happens. So first I'm gonna go into Keisha right here, this shade right here, Keisha, and yeah, we're just gonna start. And this is a E13 from Morphe, and I'm just gonna put that like right here. Just kind of stamp it in my order B. I don't know how this shade is gonna work out. Then I'm gonna take an M518 and I'm gonna go into Tips and Tricks right here, which is that orangey shade, and we're gonna use that to kind of like just blend the edges right here. Kind of blending this, you can barely see this. It looks very orangey in the pan, but when you put it on, it's actually not that orangey, so you have to like work it, because I really didn't think I would have to put that much. See, yeah, I do have to put it. I'm just kind of passing it on the edge just to blend this out a bit, like make, because I don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna go back to Keisha. And now back to Tips and Tricks. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some glitter glue from NYX. Okay, I'm gonna do like a semi-cockroach, but not really, because I don't want this to be like super harsh. So I'm gonna go into, this is a T41 from Makeup Shack, and my NYX glitter glue, and then we're gonna put this like right here. Now I'm gonna go into shade, I don't know how this is gonna stay. Yeah, this is not gonna really stay. Actually, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. This is what? A 167, an M167. I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Chill Up. Right here. Doesn't really have an actual, like, it's pretty much my skin tone. And now, let's see if this glitter will stay on here. I put that just like for a base. And now we're gonna go into something simple right here. This palette is heavy. So I don't like that shade. It's very greedy, like. So one thing I'm gonna tell you guys for sure, I have noticed I'm not a glitter person. Like for instance, I did not like that glitter palette from Makeup by Yolondo. Like, and I love her shadows, just not that palette. I'm more of a shimmer person. Like I like shimmers, but not glitters. Glitters are so damn messy. Like that shade looks so pretty in the pan, and then on my eye, it looks like nothing. Like look at this. It's like trash. I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm gonna go into Ava. I think I need to like just darken out this just a little bit. I'm staying real low with this shade. Just here. Maybe a little bit darker. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. The glitter, but the rest of the shades I know and love. The glitter not so much. And if you guys are interested, I'm actually using these lashes from Bomb Extensions, and then this one is Vera or Vera, maybe one of those. And for my primer today, I'm using my Pure Canvas primer from Mercier, and I'm actually gonna use my Can't Stop One Stop foundation from NYX. I don't know, I think the pump is like broken, so we're just gonna, you know, Frankenstein it. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with the pump. Nope, not cappuccino, that's gonna make it too dark. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of golden from Shein. I don't know, I like the Shein foundation. So I feel like I'm mixing it with everything. I feel like this would be a better shade for me. Because I have caramel from that NYX one, and I think it's a little bit too dark for me right now. Like deeper into summer, it will be fine, maybe. And to blend it up, I'm gonna use my E6 brush from Morphe. It's my mirror. Can still see some stuff right here. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more. I feel like this should not be here, but it's gonna hang in my face, so let's move it to the other part. And then I'll put foundation right here. Oh my god, maybe I put a little bit too much sheen, because now this looks quite pale. Bring it down on the ears, and let's bring it down the neck a little bit. This foundation is like being annoying to blend, and you want to make sure you blend here, because if not it just looks cakey. I feel like it's getting a little bit darker the longer it stays there. That's what I'm gonna keep telling myself. I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star from concealer. So I can see one of my lash kind of lifting up, and that's what happens when I wear glitter. It's annoying. And then let it dry for a little bit, and then, you know, we'll fix it up. What should I use for my bronzer? Let's use my trolley stick from Clinique. And to blend this, I'm gonna use my E34 from Morphe. And my hair is like, to just bring this downstairs. I keep saying that and I keep forgetting. I need new cloths out, or wash rags, or whatever you wanna call them. And I'm using my Ruce. What is this? My fluff brush. Blender, but you can use any concealer brush. I know I'm doing the most. I'm trying to like make it not be so like all down here. So yep, I like this a lot. Then oh wow, that dropped. Let me use that translucent powder from Makeup by Yolondo. This is actually not my favorite powder, but I've already gotten it, so I'm gonna use it. It's Sunday. I'm hearing all my neighbors putting their trash can out. Just making crazy noise in the neighborhood. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my Micro Smooth powder and my F50 from Sephora to set the rest of my face. I know the powder under my eye is kind of heavy. I'm leaving it there so like when I do my under eye, it's not like doesn't get messed up. This is quite white, but it's all good. Gonna put a little bit of my Makeup by Eyeshadow Base. I'm taking my pencil brush from Crown. My stomach is making noises. I'm hungry.
Pardon. That's all right.
I use so many of these wipes. Actually, this one is terrible. To actually take off makeup on my face or eyeshadow, but it's okay to like do this. So now I'm gonna go back to that. Actually, I think I'm gonna go to this shade right here called Ava, and then I'm just gonna blend Ava with Tips and Tricks. And I'm using the T14 from Makeup Shack. Yep, the lash is like lifted. This lash is annoying. You know, something that happens. There's like one lash that just does whatever. I think this is the first time I've ever been recording a video and completely drink all my sparkling water. So thirsty today, I'm not sure why. Actually, I don't think I'm that thirsty. I think I'm hungry. Okay, and now we're gonna go into Tips and Tricks, which is that orange shade, and we're gonna blend Miss Ava together on the M506. And you can barely see that glitter. This is from Melt, and this one is Porcelina. It's a white shade. Now, what am I gonna put in my inner corner? You know what? I'm gonna just put Vibe, which is that kind of like yellow shade here, which we're just gonna tie into this. Cause I ain't trying to like glitter, cause that glitter is like all over the place. Okay, so we're almost done. We are almost done. Let's just bronze real quick. I'm gonna use my bronzer from, oh, this is wrong, from Mented ABF. So Mented and Ashley Bain Featherston. I love this bronzer. My face looks pale. And this is my 80 brush from Sephora. Let's find ourselves a blushy. Actually, I haven't used this blush for a minute. So yes, use this. This is from that Metropolitan bar from Beauty Bakery, and I'm gonna use the blush part. So we're just gonna use the blush part, and I think I'm gonna use the highlighter too. On my F50 from Morphe. Smells good. And we're just gonna use the highlighter from the same highlighter. Ooh. Didn't mean to come down so low. Like, I don't need to highlight this pimple. Jesus Christ, Decima. That pimple is already massive. Okay, let's put something, you know, nice on the lip. This is, what shade? Drama. This is Drama from Dose of Color. I actually don't like this, but I already have it. I'm gonna use it. They break a lot. Don't know what lip thing to put on there. See, this eye is running a little bit. Let's put Plum Queen. Since my eyes, part of it is kind of plummy. Oh my god, my lashes lifting again. I know why it's lifting. Is that stupid glitter? That's why I don't like wearing glitter. Oh. We're almost done. We're almost done. These earrings are so huge. But that's the only ones I have up here, so that's what we're gonna wear. Here we go with the, you know, crappy edges. Still working on them edges. One day I'm gonna get my edges right. One day. But that one day is not today. Like, it's not today. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. You know, again, thank you for the constant support. I appreciate it. Even if I'm not always on there, you know, commenting, to the few people that comment on my videos, I'm still liking it and I'm still seeing it. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you already know what. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.